Welcome back to Chet Outdoors. I've been waiting to do this for a couple years. We're coming out. We're gonna fish tonight, cook some hot dogs over a fire, and then stay in a tent and fish tomorrow. But we got a shade thing to put over the tent. We got a 22 in case any critters want to come to the tent at night. We got all this stuff we're gonna put in here and go fish for a little bit and then see what the storm's gonna do, but we might get wet. Let's just hope it don't hail and blow that hard. But we're gonna put in. It's gonna be fun. And yeah, let's get fishing. We're starting off with these paddle tails, throwing some weeds. Got a little jig head, green and blue with a white paddle tail. See if we can get some walleye. Oh, nice little smallie. Swim bait. I'm just about to say, if you want to catch a smallmouth, it's got to be in here. This little guy. It's a giant swim bait. Storm is coming. I went to a crawdad rip and wrap. Mark's.
Hey, stay close to the boat without a life jacket.
Looks good. Let's catch a fish. Well, this is the campsite, maybe. We're gonna check it out. It's got good depth. And we're just gonna see what it's like, see if we want to stay here or go camp on this island that we saw that looked good. Oh, this should work. Next spot. The other spot had a bunch of flies and they would bite. Here they're not biting. So we're gonna check it out. This is what's for dinner. Some jalapeno and cheddar. Brats. Well, we got the fire started and we're gonna get these grilling. Got some popcorn going. So here's the tent. It's bigger than I thought it was. We got the rain cover over it. And inside we got the blow-up mattress we had to bring because laying on this with a direct sleeping bag with rocks would hurt. So we got pillows, sleeping bags, air mattress, and we got we could fit in almost another air mattress. I don't think we're gonna go fish tonight. We might throw some rods out with crawlers. See if we can get some walleye from shore. And we're gonna go swim. So I'll probably see you guys before I go to bed. Fishing sucks. Alright, that's a night. Fishing was terrible. Sunset was kind of cool. We got everything in the tent. You guys cannot see a single thing. Let's get the light. So here's the bed. That's gonna do it for tonight. So we're gonna go out and just walk around and then probably go to bed. See you guys tomorrow morning. So we had to run in because there was a storm coming. It would have got interesting in the tent. So I'm gonna sleep in the back of the pickup. I don't know, it's 1:30, it's 1:40, and yeah, I slept good until the wind came up, but we're gonna try to get some sleep. Oh, what a night. After the storm went through, we both slept really good, but that storm messed it up, and fishing probably is not gonna be good after that storm either. So we're gonna go out, start cranking. It's like 6 o'clock almost. Hopefully we can get some fish. We're just getting everything ready and we caught one, perfect under, and then we had another one go off. We had a snap weight and a swim bait. Glazed donuts. Enough to really good. We switched to bait, and a couple minutes in, our dad got one, or had one hit it. I think it's big.
Do we even have a net?
I think it's really big. I don't know. It's hard to tell.
It's alright. Is it a fish?
Yes.
It's been so long, I don't
Dude,
know.
it was banging my rod, and I look over and I'm like, hey, that's a fish. Oh, ooh.
Slot.
Slot.
He's off. Ate that big spinner?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, we've caught as many fish as we have cranking.
Yes. Thank you for bringing that up, by the way. That was coming up that ledge. I got a big spinner on.
There's a nice little walleye. And he's probably 17. If I got him, it's small. And I don't.
You saw it, right?
Yeah. Hey, that's got a little one. Yeah, this one's better.
Yeah, you gold on.
The gold's good.
That's third fish.
Oh. Good head chips.
Good head.
Big.
Oh, it's a big old drum.
That's a giant drum. I don't think I've ever.
Oh yeah, he's over there.
Just a little perch. Just caught this guy. You want to keep him?
Sure.
Oh yeah. 10-inch.
That's good. Back up, back up, back up.
Get to your right.
White bass.
White bass? Hey, get out of that line, get out of that line.
Real.
I thought it was a small
They
one.
like freaking swim bait. Holy shit. Look at that. I didn't see that. That's swim
Recording.
bait?
It's-
Oh, it's not.
Oh, it was down
Yeah,
there.
it was.
You eat these?
Nah. Not on my grill.
Or the fryer? Alright, we just got back. We just pulled in the driveway. We were mainly there for the camping experience. Fishing wasn't good. So around like 1, we both woke up and the tent was shaking and we're like, yeah. We looked, storm's coming. We're like, yeah, we gotta go back 30 mile an hour across the water. Couldn't see where we're going. And slept in the pickup. Today was tough. Fishing was really tough. Kept a couple. It was a fun trip though. Got to do a lot of things I wanted to do. Sleeping in a pickup was one of them, and I didn't ask to do that, and I got to do it. But fun trip. Hopefully get out and do that again next year. But if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.